Here we go. Seagulls in Lowe's parking lot. Yeah, picking out a bag. Had some food in it. I seen a bird work a bag, and I don't know if he ripped that bag open and until he got that food that he got. Yeah, he kept on working on that bag till the food came out where he can get it. Yeah, they're very smart, very intelligent bird. Yeah. And sometimes those birds are so tame enough that you could hold a French fry out with your hand, they'll fly down and take it from your fingers. Yeah. Well, I don't know if it's true, but I always heard they come inland because there's a storm out to sea. Oh, well, I don't know if I get it, but a crow has some food in its mouth, and the seagulls are chasing it because they want its food. There you go. What a nice landing. Let's see, what are they picking at? What are they picking at over here? Oh, it's a bag with chicken in it. Yeah, it's a bag with chicken in it, and they're pecking at it, eating the meat. Carnivals? That's a bird you're eating. Yeah, you carnival? Yeah, birds are pretty smart. See, they're not too afraid of me because they're close to their food. They're probably hoping I'd kick it out of the bag for them. So they can be down by the ocean or the lake getting the fish. I don't know if the lake still has shad in it or not. Right back to that chicken. Yeah, they wanting me to leave. I tell you, man, people drive pretty fast going across that. Like it's a road, and it's actually part of the parking lot. I don't know why people don't go the speed of people walking, that way they don't run someone over. I don't know if PetSmart is open yet or not. Yeah, you guys just waiting for me to get far away and get that chicken, huh? Yeah. I don't know if anyone ever made a pet out of a seagull, but I had a pigeon I made a pet out of. And believe me, those little birds will put up a fight. Alright, bye for now.